Welcome back to Michelle Hoggard, Victoriously Blessed, featuring one of my creative sisters, Gloria Goodman, DIY Beading Faux Fruits. She'll be using Epsom salt and a sponge roller from the Dollar Tree, Modge Podge from Wal-mart, and faux fruit she thrifted. I went to visit her, and this is one of the projects she was working on, so I had to start recording. Because I couldn't stay long, I'll be back with the end results in another video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see how victoriously blessed I am. Remember to do what you love and love what you do.